the motor over on herself.
What are you doing, Vivian?
I guess I need to dump that hurricane water.
What are you doing, Vivian?
Water my plants.
Where's Grandpa?
Grandpa's right here.
Oh, where's your pig?
Right there.
That's not where the pig is. Where's the pig? Oh, there's the pig. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Vivian. Is that your cheese face? That's so pretty. You're so pretty.
That. That.
What's that? What's what?
That.
I don't know.
That. That boy.
That's Grandpa. Watch your head. No, you're not going to watch your head? Well, if you bump it. Yeah. Cheese. It's a video. It's a movie. Go away. Show me where your nose is. Oh, is that your nose?
Alright, need to go start the quiz. What the hell on this mole?
It's on the tailgate.
It's what?
Tom's tailgate. Oh,
Cheese.
cheese! Mmm.
Down. Wait, down. Down.
What?
Down.
That's a palm tree.
Big.
It's big.
That. Dirt.
Dirt. Yep, that's dirt.
Big. Big.
Big, big tree.
Right.
Mm-hmm.